Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, distinguished professors, respected participants, and honorable guests. My name is Fitri Puji Rahmawati, and I am from Indonesia. I am representing Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. It is a great honor for me to have the opportunity to present my work at this international seminar. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation will be useful and meaningful for all of us. Okay, today I would like to present my topic entitled Bridging Technology and Literature, a flipbook-based intervention for childhood literacy development. And I write the research with Vera Hera Puspita, and in this presentation I will discuss three elements. Number one, introduction to childhood literacy and technology integration. And the second, using flipbooks as a digital learning tool. And the last is research design and key findings. In this topic, I will discuss how digital flipbook I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Okay. In this presentation, I will discuss how digital flipbooks can be used as an innovative learning medium to support children's literacy development, especially in the context of literary learning. This topic is important because technology is increasingly present in children's daily lives, and educators need to use it meaningfully to improve reading engagement and comprehension. Okay. Okay. Early literacy development is a crucial foundation for children's future learning. First, it supports cognitive development because reading and comprehension activities strengthen thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and critical reasoning. And the second, early literacy contributes to academic success since children with strong literacy skills are more likely to perform well across different school subjects. And the last, literacy also supports social emotional growth because reading encourages empathy and communication skills, helping children understand different perspectives and build relationships. Therefore, literacy is not only about reading words, but also about shaping a child's overall development. And the role of technology in enhancing learning, the technology plays an increasingly important role in improving learning experience. One major contribution is interactivity. Digital application and platforms offer interactive can make learning more engaging through story learning, storytelling, games, and multimedia features. Another important aspect is accessibility. Technology bridges educational gaps by enabling access to resources for underserved to or remote communities. In addition, technology support personalized learning. We know that AI-powered tools can analyze a child's reading level and adapt content accordingly, ensuring targeted and efficient learning strategies. For these reasons, technology can become a powerful bridge between a student and literacy development. And what are challenges in literacy development? Despite its importance, literacy development still faces several challenges. The first challenges is socioeconomic disparity because limited access to books, technology, and qualified educators can hinder the acquisition of literacy skills for children in low-income regions. The second challenge is attention span. Since children today are often exposed to screen-based entertainment that may compete with focused reading habits. Increased exposure to screen-based learning may compete with focused, sustained reading habits, impacting comprehension skills. And the third challenge is language barriers, especially for children growing up in multilingual households where mastering literacy in one language may require additional supports. These challenges show that literacy development needs creative and adaptive educational solution. And then we know what are digital flipbooks. The one of a solution for the challenges before. The flipbooks, it is important to understand what two interactive and customized e-books that simulate the experience of flipping physical pages. In terms of format, they usually include multimedia elements such as images, animations, and audio to enhance the reading experience. Their main purpose is to engage readers more effectively by integrating technology with traditional literacy methods. In other words, digital flipbooks transform reading into a more attractive and interactive activity for children. And then the flipbooks, digital flipbooks, also offer several practical advantages. In the first, they promote interactive learning by creating immersive educational experience through multimedia content for sure. Second, they improve accessibility because they can be used on different devices, making learning materials easier to access anytime and anywhere. And the third, they allow customization, which means teachers can adapt the content based on students' need, interests, and learning objectives. These features make Flipbook especially relevant for elementary school learners who often respond theater to visual and interactive materials. The benefit of free book-based learning that multiple educational benefits. One key benefit is enhanced engagement. Free books, dynamics features such as interactive game, sound effect, and animation hold children attention, making literacy lessons more enjoyable. And the second, the benefit personalized learning. As students can progress at their own pace and revisit material when necessary. The ability to tailor content or progress at an individual pace support diverse learning needs, accommodation different skills levels, and literacy stages. And Freebook also encourage active participant since learners do not just read passively but interact with the content through clickable elements and then image maybe and guide tasks. As a result, Freebook can improve both motivation and also comprehension. Flipbook, the use of Flipbook can improve several important literacy skills too. First, it can support reading fluency. Flipbook with audio narration can add in pronunciation and rhythm, helping children develop smoother and more confident reading habits. In the second, it helps vocabulary growth by providing embedded definition, context explanation, and visual aid expand word recognition and enhance vocabulary acquisition in young learners. This is a support that make new words easier to understand. And the third, free books strengthen comprehension because students interact with the text in a more focused and meaningful way. Interactive, maybe they can interactive quizzes, animation, and text highlighting features in free books that is encourage deeper engagement with the material, improving comprehension and also critical thinking skills. In this sense, free books are not only attractive media, but also effective tools for literacy improvement. And the research design was conducted using both qualitative and quantitative approaches. Nah, data were collected through surveys, interviews, and observation-based analysis in order to gain a comprehensive understanding of the intervention. The participant include primary school, of course, and the primary school children aged 6 to 10, as well as parents and educators from literacy-focused communities. The participants were selected through random sampling to ensure a more diverse representation of socio-economic and cultural backgrounds. Overall, the study aimed to examine how digital free books contribute to literacy development in real education settings. The intervention was also reviewed by literacy experts to ensure its quality and relevance. In terms of effectiveness, the expert found that the flip books where appropriate for children literacy needs, especially in supporting phonemic awareness, vocabulary development, and reading comprehension skills. In terms of usability, feedback from specialists highlighted the intuitive interface and interactive feature of the Flipbook, which supported self-paced learning and sustained student interest. And they also suggested some design enhancements. The recommendation is led to refinements such as incorporating adaptive difficulty levels and culturally relevant stories to better resonate with learners. And this is the result. The result of the intervention showed a positive improvement in literacy development. In quantitative improvement, literacy scores showed significant increases, with average reading proficiency gains of 30% observed among participants following the intervention. And in the qualitative feedback, teacher observed that students become more active, more confident, and more motivated to explore books outside the classroom. In terms of engagement metrics, students actively navigated the flipbook features and showed stronger understanding of key concepts. These findings suggest that digital flipbooks can be an effective and meaningful tool for supporting children literacy growth. In conclusion, digital flipbook offer a sorry. Digital flipbooks offer a promising way to connect technology and literature in childhood education. They make reading more interactive, accessible, and engaging, while also supporting important literacy skills such as fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be happy to answer any question of receive feedback regarding this presentation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.